How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best Logitech G435 LIGHTSPEED setting for FPS games. So unfortunately, this specific model right here lacks supports for the Logitech G Hub application. So the only thing that we need to do in order to set it for the best possible setting is to, of course, set your volume to 100, and you also want to make sure that you set it onto the headset itself. Right after, let's head over to the sound setting. Here, you want to click on the all sound devices, and then we'll be able to find your headset right here. Or you could also navigate through the more sound setting, which will take us to the sound control panel that we have. So navigate through playback, and in here, once again, just go ahead and look for your Logitech speaker. So in my case, I'm going to be simply using this one. Right click on it, or you want to click on properties, navigate through spatial sound, and depending on your preference, you could just turn this on and off. And on something like Counter-Strike, you want to go ahead and enable something like the surround sound or the HDRF, which is a feature for FPS games that enables us to hear enemies on a 360-degree plane. So once again, there isn't much to do around this specific headset. Just enable the spatial sound, make sure that you've turned your volume all the way up, and inside the video games, you could try lowering down something like the announcers in order for you to actually hear the important ones like footsteps. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.